Hey besties, ever looked at someone and thought, her face card? Yeah, never declines. Well, guess what? Yours doesn't have to either. Let's be real, your face is the first thing people notice. It's your billboard. It speaks before you say a single word. But a glowing, confident face card? That's not about filters or expensive products. It's about habits, self-awareness, and knowing what really suits you. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to upgrade your face card, from skin and hair to lashes, brows, even food. No gatekeeping, no crazy routines, no blowing your wallet. Just real tips that actually work. What even is a face card? Face card is that slang we all love. It means you're that girl. Attractive, striking, unforgettable. And the key to that isn't about having perfect features, it's about knowing your own features and enhancing them the right way. You don't need to follow every trend. You just need to study your own face like it's your favorite subject. From your skin and lips to your brows, lashes, and hair, everything should be working together, not just looking cute on its own. The big 5 that make or break your face card. If you want to glow up in a way that actually sticks, here are your big 5. Your skin, face shape, eyes, lips, and hair. These are your power points. Master them, and the whole vibe shifts. 1. Skin is the foundation. Glowing skin equals face card boost instantly. You don't need 30 products. Just be consistent with these basics. Gentle cleanser, don't strip your skin. Hydrating moisturizer SPF every single day. If your skin's breaking out, try tea tree oil or niacinamide. For dark spots, vitamin C, and again, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Blackheads? Use steam plus a clay mask once a week. Puffy eyes, cold spoons, dark circles, sleep. It's not just skincare, it's self-respect. 2. Know your face shape. FAR, it changes everything. Don't guess, learn it. Use a filter or measure your forehead, jawline, cheekbones, and length. This isn't just for fun. Your face shape tells you what hairstyles will flatter you, how to shape your brows, where to apply blush or contour. Not knowing your shape is like doing your makeup blindfolded. Once you know, game changer. 3. Hair that frames. Instant glow up. Hair isn't just hair, it's your frame. It shapes how your whole face is perceived. Sleek ponytail equals instant lift. Layers equals softening your jawline. Pixie cut equals bold, makes your face look fuller. Long waves equals dreamy, effortless energy. If you can't cut your hair, don't stress. Just style smart. Volume, middle part, even a clean bun can make a huge difference. Use a light mousse or volume spray and try overnight curls with flexi rods. No heat, no damage. 4. Brows. Lift your face, frame your energy. Brows are so underrated. They literally structure your whole face. Shape them based on your bone structure and face shape. Round face, high arch, square face, soft curves, heart oval, natural angle, oblong, straight across diamond, soft arches, triangle, delicate brows to soften jawline. Fill them in gently, brush them up, and you're good. Clean brows equals clean vibe. 5. Lashes, small detail, huge impact. Not everyone needs lash extensions, but girl-curled lashes and a little castor oil? Underrated. Use castor oil at night for growth. Curl lashes before mascara, or use clear mascara. Natural-looking lash clusters. Thick, heavy strips. If you're getting lash extensions, please read reviews. Don't go to the cheapest tech. Your eyes aren't worth the risk. Lips, don't let dryness kill the vibe. Dry lips? Immediately no. Fix it with a simple routine. Exfoliate with honey plus sugar once a week. Stay hydrated, water changes everything. Use balm or lip oil daily. Want fullness? Overline just a little, plus use a glossy balm or plumping gloss. Dealing with lip pigmentation? You're not alone. Try a vitamin-rich lip balm like the Minimalist Ascorbic Acid Balm. Some girls see visible results in a month. Teeth. White, clean, confident. Your smile is part of your face card. Keep it on point. Brush twice a day. Clean your tongue. Bad breath is not cute. Use floss. It takes 30 seconds. For whitening, try strips with 8 to 12% hydrogen peroxide. Cut back on tea coffee or rinse after. Eat for your skin, not just your stomach. Glow from the inside? That's real. Eat fruits, like berries, oranges, greens, cucumbers, oats, and nuts. Walnuts plus chia seeds equals glow oils for your face. Cut back on processed foods, sugar, and salt. Hydrate. 6 to 8 glasses a day. Add lemon or mint if you're bored. Sleep equals the original skincare. No serum replaces sleep. Period. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Use a satin or silk pillowcase. Sleep on your back to avoid swelling. Can't sleep? Herbal tea, journaling, or meditation before bed can help. Rest isn't lazy, it's beauty fuel. Final touch. Confidence is the glow up. Let's not forget, your face card isn't just about looks, it's how you carry yourself. Smile more. Walk with confidence. Keep your energy clean. Protect your peace. No product beats the glow of someone who likes themselves. Wrap up. You don't need filters or a 6-step serum routine. You just need intentional habits, a little patience, and a lot of love for yourself. Start small. Maybe it's just water today. Maybe it's shaping your brows tomorrow. But the glow up, it's coming. If this video helped you, drop your favorite tip in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more soft girl realness.